how many different signals can be given using any number of flags from 5 flags of different colors. So given here 5 flags of different colors, and we need to create a signals using any number of flags. Means we can use either one flag or two flags signal, or we can use three flags, or we can use four flags, or the maximum is 5. So we can create a signal by using either one flag, two flags, or three flags, or four flags, or 5 flags. So number of signals using one flag, which is same as number of permutations of n different things taken one at a time, like r at a time, so which is npr. So here 5 flags are there. Among 5 flags, the number of signals, different signals taking one at a time, is nothing but 5p1. So 5p1 is nothing but 5 factorial upon 5 minus 1, 4 factorial, or we can write 5. And number of signals using two flags, which is same as 5p2, that is 5 into 4, which is 20. And number of signals using three flags is equal to 5p3, so which is 5 into 4 into 3, that is 60. And number of signals using 4 flags, which is 5p4, it is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, so which is 120. And using 5 flags, which is 5p5, since npn is n factorial, so we can use 5p5 is 5 factorial, which is 120. Since there is a choice either one flag or two flags or three flags or 4 flags or 5 flags, so by addition principle we can give the answer. Therefore total number of different signals using any number of flags, which is equal to 5 plus 20 plus 60 plus 120 plus 120. So 120 plus 120, 240, 240 plus 60, 300, 325. So we can go with an option A. Option A is the answer.